Meaning of ethane.
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 Ethane. Ethane is a colorless, odorless gas that consists of 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. It is a hydrocarbon and is the second simplest member of the alkane family. Ethane is commonly used as a fuel and can be found in natural gas deposits. It has a wide range of industrial and commercial applications, including as a refrigerant, solvent, and feedstock in the production of plastics, rubber, and other chemicals. Due to its non-toxic and non-corrosive properties, it is also used as a propellant in aerosol cans and as a fuel for spacecraft.